Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And before I start, I just want to say a quick message to you guys. I know I haven't been putting out videos for a long time, and that is totally my fault. I did not have my computer during the summer, so I couldn't really do videos. But I did start streaming on Twitch, so if you want to check that out, link will be in the description. And I do hope to see you on Twitch, even though on Twitch I do not do Lego Technic. I play video games, well, of course, right? Well, like, if you still want to check me out on Twitch, again, link will be in the description. No, following is totally free. I don't have affiliate yet, but maybe with the help of you guys, I can get it. Okay, anyways, let's get back to the video. So, today's video, and I'm sorry for the jankiness of the camera, and my computer just literally went to sleep, which is something I need to get fixed. So, anyways, yeah, okay, we're all fine now. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Lego Technic Land Rover Defender, Lego Technic set number 42110, and as you can see, this is the box. I did already build this, but I'm first going to talk about the box. So you can see it's actually pretty big. I do have a couple things put into it because why not? So this box is pretty big. It's like pretty thick as well. And then you can see the nice artwork. Of course, this isn't the scale, but it's still really cool to see all the small detail. And I honestly think this looks really cool. Like this car, the whole thing. We got some side things, some side covers, some wheels for reference, and then we have the back. No B model, but that's okay. This is a pretty big set, so I'm pretty sure there wouldn't be a B model, but we have a bunch of info and a really big amount of functions. So you can see here's the Land Rover, and it has, as you can see, the suspension, it has the motor, it has whatever else. Now, I'm going to be showing you all of this on the actual car, but the box is still really nice. It provides a lot of information. So, yeah, that's the box. I'm going to move that over to the side, and let me bring the actual Land Rover. And there it is. Now, here's the 360 view of it. If I can actually spin this without... Now, this is indeed a modified version, as you probably saw in the title. But the only thing I actually changed is I made the doors lockable. So nothing too much, just a little simple mechanism that just locks the door, and that's it. It's nothing else, just that. Otherwise, everything else stayed the same. You can see we have the V6 straight line motor here, which has surprisingly a huge amount of detail to it. You can see the different, like the tube, and you can see like the outputs, and like you can see like different stuff. And I honestly find that really, really cool. I love when Lego Technic puts thought into detail of not only the outside of the car, but also the inside of the car. That's that. You can see it has also a thing here, which I'm actually going to showcase right now. So this has a little thing right here, and it lets me pull this out. And now otherwise it's locked. And I can pull this in with a gear right here. So let me do that. Of course, full suspension. Full double wishbone independent suspension, and this thing just broke off. There we go. Double wishbone independent suspension. It is really, really smooth, and I honestly really like it. It is really pretty damn good suspension, not gonna lie. Steering, of course, you can see, and actually the steering, another thing it does is it spins the steering wheel. Now, if you can see the steering wheel right there, you can see it kind of spinning. Here, I'll show you from the door. And this is actually the lockable door I made. So you do this, and it opens. and you can see here's the mechanism. Now, how did I actually make that? It's really simple. You can see it works very simply. You can make this one of these by yourself. But let's get back to the wheel. And what I was saying is the wheel spins. So now you have hand of God steering on the top here, you can see. And you can spin it by the wheel, but it is very hard to do by the wheel. So I would not recommend it. More aesthetics, there's a ladder. This whole thing can be dismounted. Wait. Couldn't it? Yeah, there we go. You can see here that it is now nothing on top. And if I put this back, I can have all of my functions of this top thing, including the 2 extra plates, which just go on top here just like that. And also a little box, which is pretty useless but pretty cool nonetheless, which goes right here. Also, if we turn this around, we have the box here, which looks pretty cool. It's just a nice aesthetic feature. And yeah, and then we also have back wheel. Now this is locked. If you spin it, you can unlock it. Now this is actually why I wanted to make the mechanism for the doors, because I felt like this door, lockable. The side ones, no. I'm like, that's not fair. That's not supposed to be like that. So I decided to do that. Now, let's get into the main feature of this car, which is the 16-speed transmission, or was it 8? No, the 4-speed transmission with reverse and low, with front, backwards, low, and high speeds, which makes in total, if I'm not wrong, that is 16, that is 32 different speeds. And the only thing that changes is this, the V6 motor speed. Now, let me open the door for you. You can see right there in the cabin, there's this lever, which switches from rear and forward, neutral, rear, and this speed. This lever, which switches from high to low. And there's also this thing, which when you spin it, it can switch speeds. Now, for some reason, there we go. Yeah, okay, so you can spin that. And as I said, it is a very complex, it's actually a super complex thing. And the only thing that changes, what it does is changes the speed of the V6 motor. Now I'm going to be try to show you here how it moves. Now I am not sure if you can see, I'm sorry for the wonkiness, but you can see it kind of moving, and I'm sorry my foot got in the way. So that's that. There you go, you can see that slightly better. And I do like the transmission, except that it's very big. If you look underneath, this is the underside. I'll put it down for you. You can see the transmission. I actually really like how it's made, the suspension here. Only at the parts where there's suspension is it actually lower. Everything here is really flat and really cool. But anyway, so there's the differential, and then there's another differential, and there's a middle differential. Not only that, that goes into the transmission, which sits right here, mostly here, like on top of this, and a bit here. Like this takes up the whole transmission, and that is a lot of space. But at the same time, the transmission, there's a huge ton of things. So yeah, that's that. I can't really say much about it anymore. Like, it's cool. the speeds actually work. Some speeds are so high that they make it so much gears are turning in really interesting ways that it actually um, makes it really hard to move the car. And that is a major drawback, I believe, of this system. But there's nothing you can do with that because of the torque and all of the different gears and stuff like that. So let's talk a bit about aesthetics. The I believe the car does not have a dashboard. It does have pretty cool seats. I'm not gonna lie, seats are awesome. It has a really nice circly profile here. I actually believe this looks perfect. Like, there's nothing else you would need. This looks absolutely nuts. Like, it's genius. It's just genius. You can see the slope here. You can see how it's made into a nice Land Rover profile. If you've seen Land Rovers, if you haven't, this is what it looks like. But yeah, that's mostly it. I don't really have much else to say about this build. If you guys want a more detailed view of the way the door works and how to make it, how to transform from the door in a normal Land Rover to the door that I have, please comment down below. I will check all the comments, and if a lot of people ask for it, I will make a different video about it, which will step by step guide you through the process of transforming the door and explaining it, how it works, and how did I make it. Otherwise, that will be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, sorry for not posting so long. Also check out my Twitch, link will be in the description. And have a good rest of your day, or night, or whatever else, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.